After the pandemic, the demand for online cloud services and data centers is continuously booming. This opportunity comes with many challenges in terms of technology, resources, and planning. FPT Telecom is focusing on 3 key strategies. The first thing is automation. We significantly reduced the number of on-site staff, deployed site-wide surveillance and control systems, and were able to apply different sciences and technologies in data centers. The second thing is edge computing. A redesigned network system allows data to be processed closer to the source, reducing latency for better performance. The third thing is sustainable development. Economic development must be accompanied by environmental protection. Data centers consume a lot of energy, and energy must be used efficiently. Using green energy is an inevitable trend for data centers in the future. FPT Telecom's primary strategy is to focus on customers and obtain international certificates that show our determination in providing the best service. In Phoenix data center of FPT Telecom, it has been built to achieve international standards such as Uptime Tier 3, TIA 942, ISO 27001, and PCI DSS. That is important to show FPT Telecom's commitment to providing the best services, not only for domestic, but also for international companies. I think the factors that make us achieve these things come first from our inner strength. The determination of all FPT Telecom, from staff to the board of directors, to offer the best service to customers. Next is the enthusiastic support of deploying units and equipment suppliers. Together with them, we believe that not only with Phoenix, but also with other data centers, we will deliver better quality for customers. By data center, we mean stability, sustainability, and safety. Therefore, the brands that supply products and services for the data center must be at least globally famous brands with proven development history. Secondly, they must provide us with a comprehensive solution, a single contact point for a total solution, because progress is the key factor in data centers. The next factor is the maintenance service of the equipment suppliers. This service is especially important because repairing equipment without shutting down a data center is always difficult. Quality after-sales service is also a crucial factor. And finally, applying advanced technologies to gain a competitive advantage in the market. Mitsubishi Electric products are being used at the data center, including IT precision cooling, UPS, VRF in the first phase, and chillers in the second phase. After 2 years of using Mitsubishi Electric products, we are completely satisfied with their service quality. We believe that in our success, there is a great contribution from Mitsubishi Electric, and we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to Mitsubishi Electric for this.